Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my daily trade journal. Today is day 16 of me trading just S&P 500 for a whole year. And for today, I made about $296, 68% win rate, 31% of the trades was losing trades. These are them over here. Overall, worked out pretty good. So let's go over how things looked out today. We had a small bounce in the morning, hit the top, and then reversed back down. So almost like we moved nowhere to a certain extent. And then these are some levels that we had from last week. We'll go over levels that we think will be effective for tomorrow as well. And let's go over the signals for today. So this morning, 9:30, market open. We had market structure bullish, but I didn't think we were truly bullish unless we were above the MOB, which is here. So I didn't think we were truly bullish until 11 a.m. here. That's when we started really moving. But let's take a look at the signals anyway. So 9:30, we had market bullish structure, right? Which means we want to buy the dips. So if you want to buy the dips, this was the area you want to buy the dip, and then this was the area you want to sell, or you could sell the MOB as well. Um, actually bought some dips here. I shorted over here at MOB, made about 4 green trays in the beginning over here, the early part of it. And then later on at 9:50, we had an X1 sell signal that was over here. Since we're in bullish structure, essentially means we should buy more dips. So we bought more dips to roll it up. And then 10:12, we had another sell signal. So same thing. Since we're in bullish structure, we're supposed to buy the dips. So we'll buy here, write it back to the MOB here. But for this one, I actually got stopped out because I had thought that if we lose 64, 68, that was bearish. But in hindsight, looking back now, I should have put a stop loss around 64, 65, or even at the low of this morning at 64, 64. But I didn't. So I got stopped out. And then after that, I had no trades until we ran back to the MOB. I shorted that again and came back here, took profit there. And then 1250, we had a DD buy signal. So that was around here, which made me really hesitant to short. But I guess that signal did not work out today, it seems like. And then by 1:30, market structure had flipped bearish, which is over here. And as you can see, market kind of dropped straight down. That was the DD buy signal working out here. Resistance, hitting resistance here again. So, and then we completely went bearish for the rest of the whole day. So that was pretty simple explanation of the market. The structure actually worked out pretty decent today. If you just have faith in it, it worked out way better than any other day so far. So that was pretty good. And then as far as levels for tomorrow, we're keeping these levels the same. And the reason behind that is because I don't think we have a clear direction yet. Even though we look really bullish here, we also broken down a little bit. I think there is a possibility for a gap fill if we come back to the 64.15 area. I think this is a good area to go long if we come back here. But as long as we're above that, we're not extremely bearish yet. The only time we'll get bearish, as I said on Friday, is if we straight up just crashes right through both levels. If we lose 64.05, that's when we're bearish, and then we expect to short the resistance here or this resistance here. But other than that, I expect us to kind of hold this area and bounce from there. I think we have pivot in such a rate from the inflation side that and the FOMC side that we have pivot to a bullish stance where they're going to start cutting rates, and that's bullish for the market. So I don't really see any bearish opportunities, honestly, or fundamentally on our side. We're just looking for back tests of our MOBs here, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes MOB back test would be really nice. If it comes back to these areas, I would start looking to add long positions, going further out as well on my long-term equity portfolio. So I hope that was a good explanation of how things outlook for the next few days. And hope you guys had a great trading day as I did too. Good luck and thanks for watching. And please thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy these. Thank you and have a great day.